Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at Cryptovolution. Now this is going to allow you guys to create an automated affiliate crypto video vlogging website, and you don't need to create your own videos guys, you don't need to create your own content or articles, none of those mumbo jumbo stuff. Is all automated, and to make money with this guys is by monetizing your website into different affiliate marketing networks. I'm going to show you that later in this video. But first guys, let me show you first my bonuses. That way you can get great result and additional value when you guys purchase Cryptovolution through the link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. Yes, my bonus number one for Cryptovolution is I'm gonna give you access to WP support. Now this is because you will be using WordPress to do this, I'm gonna give you access to a WordPress plugin that can give you this support bot. That's my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna give you access to instant content creator. This is gonna allow you to create an automated content inside of your website. Bonus number three, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to affiliate commission miner. As you can also help you guys as well, promote products and affiliate. Bonus number four, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to affiliate money machine. This is gonna help you guys drive traffic into your website. Bonus number five, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to a 100 plus product bonus bundle. This comes with WordPress plugins, pillar products, video marketing, YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, all those high quality premium products is included inside of this 100 plus product bonus bundle right here. Bonus number six is all vendor bonuses, right? So those are all of my bonuses, guys, when you would like to pick up Cryptovolution through the link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. And you guys click that link, this will take you to a sales page that looks something like this. The headline says, use our Cryptovolution package to create outstanding cryptocurrency video blogs. Now, just like I said, guys, you don't need to create your own videos, you don't need to create your own articles or content. It's all automated. And yeah, so watch this video right here, guys. Read the information of the sales page, have the information if there's something that can really help you guys out. And there's a demo video at the bottom portion of the sales page. Let me show you that. This to you. All right, I think this is the the your website looks like, guys, but you can pretty much customize this. This is the the dashboard right here, right? But pretty much you can customize this website into your liking. And you know let me show you around what's inside and what you can expect in the members area right here. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're on the members area of Cryptovolution, and you're gonna see this welcome video right here. And just like I said, you will be using WordPress to create this automated crypto video vlogging website. And this is where you download all this plugins right here and install this into your WordPress website. And if you don't know how to use WordPress, guys, they have this step-by-step training right here showing exactly how to get started with creating your affiliate video blogging website. You have this like setting up your domain and hosting, how to install WordPress, how to install Amazon Store, but basically everything you need to know, guys, when it comes to creating this automated video blogging website. And then this is where you make money, guys, by signing up into these affiliate networks and connect your affiliate ID. That way you can make money with this affiliate networks right here. And aside from that, you'll be able to make money as well using Fiverr. See this right here. Um, this is the done for you gig. They're gonna set up your Fiverr gig, and then you'll make money with that, right? And then one of the coolest part about this, guys, is that they're showing you right here, guys, how to send traffic. Let me show you that to you. Right here, how to send traffic right here. You're gonna include that as well in this video training right here. And then if you wanted to upgrade your account, there are also some upgrade right here, guys. OTO number one is this done for you setup. If you don't want to set up this into your own, then you can hire their team to do that. OTO number two is 5 years host fast loading hosting. Now the downside of this, you need to purchase your own domain and hosting, But if you want to upgrade your account, you're gonna access this 5 years fast loading hosting right here. And then OTO number three is, done for you, 5 gig, right? So yeah, I think that would be in this video, guys. Now, just like I said, I'm gonna give you access as well to this amazing bonuses right here. If you would like to pick up Cryptovolution through my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. Just like I said, guys, this will take you to a sales page when you click that link. And I want you guys to, read the information of the sales page right here and have an information if this is something that can really help you guys out. And yeah, so I think that would be in this video, guys. There's a demo video in the bottom portion of this, of this website, of this sales page, and watch this the demo video. That way you can have an information of what your website looks like. And they have this also this additional bonuses right here, guys, that you're gonna access as well. And they also have these additional bonuses as well, guys, if you would like to pick it up. These are bonuses from the vendor right here. Bonus number one is Kickstart Survey. Bonus number two is 5 figure freedom. Bonus number three is hotel savings card. Yeah, so those are all the bonuses from the vendor, and you can access those inside of your Cryptovolution account. All right. So yeah, I think that will be in this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching this review. And if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And see you in my next review video. Bye. Love you.